Hi friends, it's a nice crisp morning today, so we're gonna head outside and do some springy activities. So I thought I'd bring you along. And then we're also gonna make some bird feeders with some pine cones and some peanut butter. So that one's super duper easy, so let's do that one first. Well, I was just gonna pop this in the microwave and then I forgot that our microwave is broken. So I'm gonna warm up some peanut butter on the stove. And then we'll take it outside and dip it in our pine cones. Dip our pine cones in it. That is for the birds to eat. Okay, so you need some melty peanut butter. Hopefully it's still melty enough. A pine cone or more. Some string. Some bird seed. And a cute helper. Say hi. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it around so you can watch us do this. Okay, now we're gonna take our pine cone. We're gonna dip it in here. Put our string on it first. Okay. Put this on here. Uh-oh, those are sharp. Please be careful. Thank you. Okay. There's a good... Oh, that's hot. Don't touch. Okay. We're going to take this in here and dip it, okay? Dip. Ooh. Dip. Okay. Okay.
Sharp.
Huh?
Sharp.
Yeah, those are sharp. Be careful with those. Thank you. Oh, having a little overflow. Let me move this so we can see. Okay, so we're just taking it like this and kind of pouring it because our dipping bowl was not quite big enough. You just want it to have lots of sticky surface area so that the bird seed can stick, right, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna take our bird seed. Whoa, you okay? This would be great to have a spoon. We don't have a spoon. So you can sprinkle it on like this, or you can dip it if your bowl accommodates some dipping. Can you do some sprinkles? Like that? It's a little sticky, messy. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, looking good, bud. What do you think? You like it? Okay, where should we hang it? So here it is. Pretty covered. It's very heavy. So it's pretty covered. What do you think, bud? Ooh, it's for the birds. Good job. The birds would probably like it more if we hadn't touched it so much, but I'm sure they'll be fine.